So, hey guys, this is Kanchi here, and I am actually just wanting to thank you all for giving lot of support and watching the readings. I have proudly earned 12 subscribers this time, and I'm very happy. And I'm very happy that the energies are getting aligned by few of you, and in just few readings, I'm really blessed to have these 12 people in my life. Okay, so thank you so much. If you're new to this channel, please do support more, and let's check out our today's energy. Okay, so I got this by today. Okay, so I am seeing here, like, I'm seeing here, there is someone, there is somebody in your life right now who wants to enter in your life. Okay, and as I can clearly see, this man is standing, and this, if this card has to come up with this, then this man has to go further, and they are like preparing to go somewhere. Okay, it seems to me like that, but right now I'm seeing here God is blocking someone uh, from entering in your life, and this entry of the person you are been thinking about, this person would be very much unexpected, and maybe they had some kind of malefic thoughts about you. They are not having um, clean slate. Okay, so they are not coming up with that clean slate. I can clearly see here they are having a lot of anxiety, lot of stress, and they are just coming towards you. Were just coming towards you in the sense to maybe destroy something, disrupt something. And I'm also seeing here that uh, like the somebody was trying to play very 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 like small around you, and this person would be, maybe they could be somebody from your like past relationship. Somebody could be in your family, somebody in your like colleague. I'm seeing here they were just trying to contact you, but I'm seeing here the divine has blocked this person to contact you. Okay, and while they were just entering in your life, they had lot of thoughts about you, to how they could again come and just play with your mind, as already you have been through a lot. Okay, so God has already has eyes over that. Next, okay, so I just come up with uh, the sun card next. Okay, so the sun card tells me about somebody who are very sad about your victory. Okay, just see here, six of wands. Okay, this person is very sad with your victory, as you are receiving this triumph. Okay, you are receiving this happiness, and you were just getting recognized for whatever work you were doing. Okay, even now also they are seeing that you are getting recognized for whatever you are doing. Like, people have started to know you more. Since then they had been talking about the rumors and spreading lies about you. Okay, so this person was seeing that you are being completely uh, unbothered and very much untouchable, because you are getting the victory day by day, again and again, again and again. Okay, and there were a lot of people who used to fight with you as well, who used to fight with you, but um, now they are like sort of trying to release this thought against you that you are a bad person. Okay, so maybe they were just being convinced by someone that you are a bad person and you just need to be left alone. And right now, this person, whoever wants to enter in your life, they are very 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 unhappy with whatever uh, things they had to take it from you. Maybe there are some kind of spiritual attacks involved in your life, and they had taken a lot in your life since then. Since then, maybe like people are been attacked by their family members, by their loved ones, by their chosen ones. I can um, not by their chosen ones, like chosen ones get attacked by a lot of people who are known to them. Okay, right now I'm clearly seeing here that there is the energy over here, like somebody is not really happy with your victory. Somebody is not really happy, that they just wanted to make your certain kind of image in the public, and right now they aren't able to make, so they are not happy with that. Okay, and they just sort of like, I'm clearly listening here, somebody wants to somebody is very materialistic. Okay, so someone here is very very materialistic, and um, they have tried to block your blessings and steal your destiny, maybe something kind of like destiny swapping. They did it before, but now they are kind of like they can't get their hands out of your destiny, because whatever is yours you're getting right now, and they are not sure how to act over it. Okay, and they're not even sure like how to get those things. Okay, please give us few more cards about it. Okay, temperance. Okay, so this person is seeing here that your life is getting balanced, and they just wanted to make your life as out of track. Somebody who is out of their mind, somebody who is insane, somebody is not really into their own intuition, they are not listening to themselves. They just wanted to make you perceive to be like in the public eye as they wanted to be. Okay, because they wanted to take your prosperity, your inner strength, your wisdom, and they just wanted to snatch all over it, and they just wanted to tell it that it's mine. It's not of that person, it's not of this it's not of this foolish person over there. Okay, so you are the one who is being the chosen one, and God wants to tell you that you are being very much protected as this balance came out. Okay, and this balance shows me that how many times people dare to try to do wrong things about you, they'll only like they'll only be uh get up getting confused, because they know that they're not going to get anything out of your own destiny, out of your own um life, because you have made it. You had did the work all over yourself. You had suffered a lot of dark night of the soul, and that's what they just wanted. They wanted to they cannot take your experience. Maybe just let's be very clear, to be very honest, they can just give you a small time of suffering. They can give you just a little bit time of anxiety, but I don't think that they can actually take what is yours, because the time is going to give you what your learning has to be. And once you just clear your path and just try to learn everything, and in the lane you used to come up with the levels, level 1 crossed, level 2 crossed, then level 3 crossed, then you're not going to like, you can't go in that scenario again, because God knows, divine knows that you have been put it in these problems just to cross the lane, not to go and get inside the loop system. Okay, so these people are getting confused right now, what to do, how to get entered, how to like throw our negative and bad energies onto you and take all of that what is yours. They are not understanding, like they are getting insane, like how you could be someone who is protected, how you could be someone who is completely out of their, like how every time you're just escaping you're getting safe, how um, every time you are just being so untouchable. Even I'm just getting the, today I just got one dream, and all about somebody's ancestor. They had been told me to, like they are seeing the wrong people to they are seeing the wrong people while they were just protecting someone. Okay, the scenario was like that. I had seen somebody's ancestor who was asking me to protect someone, but the fact is that they just came there in my dream to tell me about somebody who is trying to attack someone from dark spells. Okay, that's the fact. Let's check few more cards. Okay, I three of swords in reverse. You are releasing the pain, and somebody wants to attach some kind of negative energy and some kind of negativity over you, so that you gets up what they has to get in their lifetime. You learn their flaws, you learn their mistakes, uh, which they had to do work with. They had to pass their test, they had to learn to go through those toughest lessons that has been written for them. They wanted to pass it to you. Okay, so I'm seeing here that you are just releasing your pain, and I am seeing those people talking about themselves, like talking to themselves in a very negative way, because they all over realize that you are untouchable and nobody can touch you. That's what they're seeing here. And it's been very fortunate for you that you have gone through a lot, and now you are safe. Okay, oh my goodness. Queen of Wands, very beautiful. You are getting this Queen of Wands because you are this Queen of Wands. Okay, see, no matter you are male, female, doesn't matter. Okay, the fact is that you are right now standing and like sitting on your throne. Okay, standing on your own feet. You are independent, you're strong, you are worthy, you're blessed, you are happy. And you are also having this black cat, you're also having the psychic eye, and you know that who is doing wrong and who is doing right. And you are very much aware of everything what's going on behind your back, what's going on behind the scenes, ju- what is the what's the like, how do you have to give the justice, and where you have to go, because you are just claiming your own self respect, claiming your own confidence, being very much being very much decisive about everything, that how you just have to move, in which pace you have to move, and how you have to work along those people who are not yours. And if they used to come, then how you have to react, how you have to be. I'm seeing you being very, very, very calculative towards those people who are just trying to disrupt your peace. Okay, very amazing and beautiful energy, being very attractive. People are seeing you as somebody who is very, very, very excited, very having a lot of enthusiasm to take their life ahead with a lot of passion. Okay, courage, bravery. And this person, whoever wants to come into your life, this person could be uh, somebody who is this five of cups, five of cups energy, who is having like lot of downfall. I'm seeing here somebody who is having a epiphany about something. Okay, They just got the reality of like they are facing a lot of failures, okay? Because at one point of time in the starting they have attached their negativity onto you, and after that you have claimed your energy back. Once you got to know about this person, you have cut off them, and now they are just facing a lot of failures in their life, and right now they are in the zone 5 of cups. Very disappointed, very 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 disappointed. Now again they wanted to come and throw their failures onto you, okay? Oh, so you are, see, you are releasing all the worries. You are hoping that everything is going to get right. And also, God is showing you that you have to move forward in any case, in any situation, in any kind of condition. That's what it is. Okay? Please give me one more card. Just one more. Queen of Pentacles. Very beautiful. See, you guys are going to create something in your life, okay? Where you are going to make wealth as well, where you are going to you will just secure your life. I'm seeing here a beautiful home sweet home kind of environment where you are just building your own relationships who are just making you feel safe in their energy, and you are completely being very much kind, compassionate, very um, accelerated in your life to just make sure everything is going right. You are you're just going to build something in your life where you are just going to compassionately preserve it, make it relationships that you wanted to build, wealth you wanted to build, prosperity, happiness, okay? And you're going to be very 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 lucky, okay? So, and these people, see, this deceit, the energy of this deceit, 5 of Swords, they're just not going to get anything in their life because there are a lot of people who are just behind their back, whoever it is, okay? Like they are also facing a lot of challenges in their life, setbacks in their life, and they know it. Nobody is going to, like, what you give to the nature, it just comes back. It's kind of like that, okay? And I'm also seeing here that you are being very 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 much compassionate towards yourself. So just be like that, be soft, gentle, be very much nourish yourself, okay? Do the nourishment of yours. So how you just like the reading, please do comment. I just love every comment. If you really like this reading, and if somebody has felt that this reading would have helped you in some or the other way, please just clarify me through your comments, okay? Claim your energy, whatever you are getting, and I am going to meet in my next reading. Tab tak ke liye, take care. Okay, I'm just not going to cut this reading. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Love you all. Bye. Okay. Bye bye.